Okay, in this video I'm going to show a couple of examples of using both a graphing calculator on Desmos and the formula to find the vertex and axis of symmetry. We're doing IXL bb2. So the problem says find the equation of the axis of symmetry for y equals x squared minus 2x plus 2. Well, let's simply use Desmos to solve this one. So y equals x squared minus 2x plus 2. X squared minus 2x plus 2. So there's our graph. Remember, this U-shaped curve that is the graph of a quadratic function is called a parabola. A parabola is the graph of a quadratic function. The axis of symmetry is a vertical line that's not actually part of the graph that splits it in half. So you could see right here it would go through an x value of 1. And I could click and find the vertex here and further see. It's the x value that we're interested in. The axis of symmetry here is x equals 1. There you can see. That's the axis of symmetry. If I wanted to find the vertex, I could take that value of 1 and substitute it in for x and see that 1 comes out for y. And the vertex here would be a minimum value because the graph is opening up. Let's see how we could do it by hand. This was available on the notes in the video, is given by the formula x equals, it's going to be a vertical line, negative b divided by 2a, where this a and b is from the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, or in this case y. So b is the coefficient of the x term. We see that b is the coefficient of our linear term. In this case, b is negative 2. So we have negative 2 over 2a. A is the coefficient of the x squared term. A is the coefficient here of my quadratic term. In this case, we have an applied 1. So it's 2 times 1. Negative 2 is a positive 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1, which we saw. That's my axis of symmetry. To find the vertex, we know the vertex will have the same x value as the axis of symmetry. So we're going to simply take this 1 and substitute it in there and find the corresponding y. So y was equal to x squared minus 2x plus 2. We're taking this x value of 1 and substituting it in here. Y will equal 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 2. Well, 1 squared is 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2. Well, 1 minus 2 would be negative 1, and negative 1 plus 2 would be a positive 1. So we see when x is 1, y is 1, that is the vertex, which backs up what the graph gave us. Work on using this formula, and if it asks for the vertex or the minimum or maximum value, you will further do the substitution. Find it graphically and using this method.